Hello friends, welcome to Shivli Simple Steps. Today we will learn about how plants make their food. Okay? Today we will complete the topics like photosynthesis, what are the food factories of plants, chlorophyll, insectivorous plants and parasitic plants. Okay? So let's start the topic. Did you know why we need food? We need food to get energy. Human beings and animals, they eat their food to get energy. Every living organism need food to grow and to build their body. Okay, so in human beings we cook food, है ना? We cook food, हम खाना बनाते हैं. आप रोज देखते हो कि आपकी मम्मा जो है वो कुकिंग करके आपके लिए खाना बनाती हैं. Everyone need food to live and survive. Okay. Have you seen any plants? They make their food. क्या आपने कभी देखा है कि कोई plant जो है अपना food बना रहा है? Today we will learn how plants make their food. Okay. Plants अपना food कैसे बनाते हैं? The process is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is made up of two words. First is photo. It means light. And second is synthesis. It is putting together. Okay. In this process, plant get light from sunlight and it takes water from the soil
and it takes carbon dioxide from atmosphere
and they put together and form food for plants. Okay, let us see how this process works. Okay, मैं यहाँ एक drawing बना रही हूँ. ये जो है, these are roots.
These are leaves. Leaves absorbs carbon dioxide, sunlight through stomata.
In this process, in photosynthesis, what happens? The plants absorb water. Plants absorb water from roots. Okay. And they absorb sunlight through stomata. Did you know about stomata? Stomatas are the small pores present in the leaves, okay, which can absorb. They are holes like we have pores in our skin ना. जैसे हमारे skin में pores होते हैं, in the same way plants also have pores known as stomata. From these holes, from these pores, sunlight and carbon dioxide is absorbed in the leaves. Okay? समझ गए? यहाँ पर carbon dioxide और sunlight absorb होता है leaves में through stomata and water is absorbed through the roots. Water यहाँ से absorb होता है and they put together and form their food in the form of what is the product? ये खाना बनाकर क्या बनाते हैं? They form sugar and oxygen. Okay, so what they form? They form sugar and plus oxygen. Oxygen is again released by the pores of the plant known as stomata. Okay, understood? In this process again we will see what happened. Root absorb water, stomata leaves absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide through stomata. They come together and they form food for the plant, which are sugar and oxygen. Okay, this whole process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, इस पूरे प्रोसेस में photosynthesis प्रोसेस में क्या हुआ? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और सनलाइट को ट्रैप किया स्टोमेटा के थ्रू लीव्स ने और वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब किया रूट्स ने और ये एक साथ मिलकर फूड बनाते हैं प्लांट्स के लिए, जो कि शुगर और ऑक्सीजन के फॉर्म में होता है. This oxygen is used by the animals for breathing. Okay. We all need oxygen for breathing. Okay, in this way, animals and plants are interconnected to one another. We are giving carbon dioxide to them and they give us oxygen. That's why both are very important for one another. Okay, that's why we did not have to cut trees. Understood? हमें पेड़ नहीं काटने चाहिए. The whole process is carried out in the leaves. Okay? ये सारा process कहाँ हो रहा है? Plants के leaves में. That is why the leaves are known as food factories of plants. Okay? What are the food factories of plants? Leaves are known as food factories of plants because they are acting as a factory to make food for the plants. Understood? And now one more thing we have to study in this process is chlorophyll. Okay, so friends, today we have completed the topic how plants make their food. Okay, how they form? They form by the process of photosynthesis. We learn about photosynthesis. Okay, next topic what we have completed is what are the food factories of plants? What are the food factories? They are leaves. Okay, leaves are known as food factories of plants. Hope you all understood today's topic, and if you have any queries, please tell me in the comment box. I will tell you the answers. Okay, till then, friends, take care and goodbye.